Welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. UAE hotel market, the world's fastest growing. Gulf luxury car market forecast to grow 20% this year. And Moody's downgrades Portugal to junk. Let's first look at the UAE stock markets. Both the DFM and ADX ended the day in the red. The DFM fell 0.4% to close at 1,552 points. Again, Shua Capital was one of the best performers with a plus of 2.2%. Gulf Finance House rose 0.4% and DO was up 0.3%. Dubai Refreshments Company was the top loser as its shares fell 8.3% today. So did EMA Properties, which was down 0.7%, and Dubai Islamic Bank, which lost 1.5%. 70 million shares were traded, valued at 84 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX lost 0.5% to close at 2,717 points, with the industrial sector losing the most. Gulf Cement Company lost 9.5% and Ras Al Khaimah Cement Company fell 7.5%. Both ADX-listed energy stocks were also down Gas by 1.6% and TAQA by 0.8%. And Etisalat fell 0.5%. Finance House, however, was among the top gainers with a plus of 7.8%, and also up Ras Al Khaimah Ceramic Company. Its shares added 7.6%. 45 million shares were traded, valued at 83 million dirhams. And let's now look at the GCC equity markets. The country's main benchmarks ended mainly lower today. And now to our top stories. The UAE, thanks to Dubai, has the world's largest number of hotel projects underway. With currently 97 upscale hotel projects being developed, Dubai is also taking the lead in the entire UAE. In Abu Dhabi, there are 66 hotel developments at present, and in Ras Al Khaimah, 14. The number, however, caused concern among some industry experts about an oversupply of hotel rooms in the emirate. Global consultancy firm CBRE recently pointed out that Dubai's vast number of hotel rooms could delay a recovery in room rates. The Arab region has again become a hot market for luxury cars as high oil prices near $100 a barrel propel the region's Ferrari, Maserati and Bentley lovers' wealth. Arabs are set to buy a record number of luxury vehicles this year, according to a report conducted by industry data group IHS Automotive. Sales of high-end cars in the Gulf countries, including the UAE, will probably grow 20% compared to last year, more than double the world's average rate of 9.7% in the segment. The buying spree is likely to continue in the coming years. IHS forecasts the Gulf's luxury car market to more than double from its 2010 level up until 2015, compared with only an average 51% increase globally. Saudi Arabian bank lending is climbing the most among the 6 GCC countries this year as growth in the biggest Arab economy accelerates. Bank credit to the private sector expanded 4.6% in the first 5 months through May, according to data from the Saudi Arabian Monetary Agency. This compares to a 2.7% increase in the other GCC economies. Higher oil production and increased government spending give Saudi Arabia's economy a boost, as it is the world's largest crude oil exporter. The recovery is underway. One economist commented, retailers, family-owned businesses, they are all benefiting from higher oil prices and state spending, which spurs bank lending. And in our fast financial news, EMA Properties has awarded the Egyptian subsidiary of Arab Tech a $37 million contract at its project in the north of the African country, EMA said in a letter to the DFM late on Tuesday. Arab Tech Egypt, a joint venture between Dubai-based builder Arab Tech and Egypt's Amar Group, won the contract to build 170 villas at EMA's Marassi project on Egypt's northern coast. Meanwhile, Alder is starting to market office space in its Trust Tower, the company's latest commercial office development. The building is now available for pre-lease. Corporate tenants can start their fit-out from November onwards, prior to officially opening in mid-2012, the Abu Dhabi-based real estate developer said. Etihad Airways has signed a commercial agreement with French railways company SNCF. The deal will allow Etihad passengers to book flights beyond Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport by connecting onward to CNCF's 2,000-kilometer high-speed TGV rail routes and vice versa, the carrier said in a press release. And after the break, we'll run you through what's making the headlines in international business today.